and get it one more time. Whoa. If you wanna lose your mind. Whoa. Come and get it one more time. Whoa. If you wanna lose your mind. Whoa. Come and get it.
Babe, when I say it was disgusting, it's disgusting. There was shit all over the walls, all over the toilet, and he said it was disgusting because it went from one stall to another stall.
What?
Yeah, that was nasty. A lady came in, always comes in with her daughter who's a little slow, who I know. Came in one day, I don't know like what she was doing, but she took shit in her pants.
What?
Yeah. And apparently there was this, you can see a stain on the back of her pants.
Well, I bet.
But that's not the kicker. The next day, she comes in again, wearing those same pants. And the stain is still there.
Ew.
Yeah.
Nasty slobs.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from its slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. Well, it caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash from my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes just to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were all having fun.
We're gonna make my favorite breakfast dish, pork roll and potatoes. Take the pork roll out of the plastic and put the pork roll in the pan, just like this. Do the same for the potatoes. There you have it. I poured the potatoes into the pan. Now I'm just gonna separate them into an even layer. Turn the heat to medium, just like this. Turn it to medium, to like 6. Do the same for the pork roll. Where am I? This is back. Just like that. Now they will start to heat up. Might take a few minutes, not too long at all. The food is starting to heat up. Probably took maybe 5 minutes at the most. Hear that nice sizzle, and so now that it's starting to sizzle and hiss at you and stuff, that's the time where you want to start flipping things over so nothing burns. And don't forget about your potatoes either, because everything's heating up at the same time. I would say flip everything every minute, half minute to a minute, because your food will start to burn very quickly. Look at that nice brownness, that caramelization of the meat. I just let it go for like a minute, and already I have this nice brown color. Same thing with the potatoes, so getting a little golden. And voila, your food is done. Doesn't it look just tasty.